mark for future bilingual kindergarten and primary school music and technology major. In today's K science class, we made bath bombs. We mixed equal parts of baking soda, cornstarch and tapioca starch, water. After adding food colouring, we shaped the mixture into small balls,
and then we're going
then
to
we
drop
dropped
them
into
into
vinegar. We observed
vinegar.
fizzing reaction, sparking curiosity.
Okay? And it's going to be a reaction. Okay.
Like a volcano, right?
Not quite like a volcano, but yeah. It's going to be a reaction. So I want you to help me as much as you can. So, come on. Yeah, okay, good job. Okay, that's a lot. Do it over it and fan. Just so that it has no lumps. Okay, it's going to have some lumps in a minute. Right. Next one is corn starch.
Okay, so white.
Yeah.
Oh, it's no.
That's snow, yeah. Can you give it your? Good job. Well done. I'll come to you in a minute, don't worry.
Oh my god. Is it this so
Okay. So we've got equal parts of baking soda, cornstarch, and tapioca starch. Up to 3 powders. Do you want to give it a stir? Stir. Okay. Well, it's all over the table. I want you to stir the powder, not throw it all over the table. Never mind. Right. So now we have to add water. Just normal water. Sorry, it's just a very sticky mess. But this is a... Yeah, but when you pick it up, it goes back into a liquid. Yeah? Yeah, right. Quickly, it's solid. When you touch it, it turns back into a liquid. Clean your finger like that. Something powder. Won't hurt you. Right, come on then. It makes a mess, don't worry. Look at that reaction. Just a little bit, that's enough. Good job. Spoon down. Wow, look at that. Reaction. Red in there. Okay, don't. Okay, enough. Don't put the spoon in. Go. Good, boiling. Good job. Up to you. Okay. In here. In here. Oh, okay.